Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Minecraft and you keep getting this error, an error occurred, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Minecraft easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your network connection. If you have an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So you're going to right click on your network connection, go into properties. You're going to scroll down here. You're going to make sure you find Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6, and just untick it. After you're done unticking it, you're going to click onto Internet Protocol version 4, then click on properties. Going to use the following DNS server addresses. Write in here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK, and then click OK here as well, and then disable your network device. Once you're done disabling it, wait for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, enable it again. Once you're done enabling your network device, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Minecraft, you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.